In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Stop rebuilding the same rules over and over. If you've already set up a cell that changes color based on what's typed or calculated, you can copy that logic across your sheet in seconds using the Paint Format tool. First, choose a cell that already behaves the way you want. This is your source cell, the one that holds the rule you want to reuse. Click it once to select it. A quick sanity check helps here. Does that cell turn the right color when its value changes? If it does, you're ready to copy. Next, go to the toolbar at the top and click the Paint Format icon. It's the little paint roller. Think of this as loading your cursor with the source cell's formatting, including its conditional formatting rules. The tool is single-use by default, meaning it will apply the formatting to the next place you select and then turn itself off. Now, apply it. With the paint roller active, drag to highlight the new range where you want the same rules to apply. You can sweep across rows, columns, or entire blocks. As soon as you release the mouse, Google Sheets pastes the formatting and the underlying logic. Try it out. Type the word "done" in any of these new cells, and they'll turn green automatically, just like the original. If you applied it to the wrong place, press undo and try again. Here's a time-saving pro tip. If you need to paint multiple separate spots, double-click the Paint Format icon instead of single-clicking it. That locks the tool on, so you can click one range, then another, and another, without reselecting the source each time. When you're finished, press Escape or click the paint roller again to turn it off. A couple of quick reminders to keep things smooth. This technique copies all formatting from the source cell, not just the conditional rule, so you'll also copy things like font style and borders. And if your original rule uses references that adjust by position, they'll adapt as you paste to new locations, which is usually exactly what you want. That's it. The fastest way to duplicate your colors and logic across your sheet. Stop repeating yourself and work smarter. If this saved you time, follow for more Google Sheets hacks.